Alright artists, I'm going to show you just a quick demonstration on how easy it is to create this folk landscape. I have right here beside me one of my favorite handouts to use. It's got some great tree ideas, it's got some easy houses, and since this art project is mostly about the patterns inspired by Heather Galler, we're just going to use this. Alright, I'm going to push that off to the side. It's not very far. I've got my paper turned horizontal, which is actually also called landscape. I'm going to use a Sharpie so that you can see. Please make sure that you use a pencil and make sure that you draw light. The first thing I'm going to do is just kind of get some sort of hill started in my artwork. I'm going to do one that kind of goes off to the page, and I'm going to do another one that just kind of goes up. This looks like a great place for patterns. I might go ahead, since I have so much space, I might go ahead and actually draw one more hill so I have more places for patterns. Remember, it's your art. Make sure that you do it your way. Alright, now I think I'm going to add a house. I'm going to keep it simple. If I keep it simple, then I know it's easier to do. Plus, it's a lot better for my craftsmanship if I keep it simple. I'm going to go ahead and put a simple, easy house on the hill with a window. Okay, I'm going to leave that. I can come back and add details if I wanted to. I've got beautiful space here that I might do like a sunset, and I'll get to that in just a minute. Let's take a look at all this grass in the front, or this field. I'm going to go ahead and divide this into pattern pockets. Now, you don't want to do too many pattern pockets, so I'm going to make my pattern pockets big so that they're easy to fill. You see how I don't really have that many pattern pockets? Let's go ahead and move up into this area and do kind of a sun of some sort. And I might put some trees here. I'm going to go ahead. I want to fill the page. I'm going to go ahead and create a sun that starts like this. I think I'm going to put a tree. I like those triangular trees. I'm going to go put a tree on this side too. And what I'm doing is I'm looking at my space to fill my page. Alright, remember when I started this sun? I knew I wasn't done yet. Okay, I knew I wanted to come back in here and add these sun rays. And the reason I had to do the trees first, because once I get over here, I have to think about that sun ray going behind the tree and going all the way behind the house so that I've filled the page.